Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to reset in Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. So how to reset in Microsoft Edge in Windows 10? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to the Microsoft Edge application on our computer. Already on the main display of the Edge application. Just point the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon and tap. Now a scroll-down menu option will appear. Go to the Settings menu. Now here we are in the Settings menu. Here there are many Settings menu options. Down and tap Reset Settings. Next here we are in the Settings menu. Here there is a Restore Settings to their default values menu. And tap this menu. Now here the options will come out. To continue the reset, tap Reset. Now the reset is complete. So that's it, the tutorial how to reset in Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. The reset function in Microsoft Edge is used to restore the browser settings to their initial or default state. This can help fix issues such as slow performance, unwanted settings, or problems with extensions. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.